Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another video here on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can make purchasable animation packs. And so, let's just get started. So first of all, we're actually going to need an animation that we can buy, right? So, we're going to start by going in here, rig builder, and I'm going to be using a block avatar. Now, I'm just going to do animation editor, select the rig, just do animation. Then I will just do a nice little jump animation, I reckon. I'm just gonna make him jump. Just gonna flip his arm around. Kind of looks like it's twisted, but just like that. And then I will just skip over here. Then I'll just make him go right back down. Just like this. Just gonna rotate his arm again, so he's not broken. Alright, and I think this should be everything for our animation. Actually, this could probably be like a cheer animation, I reckon. So here if we just... It's like a cheer animation, right? Cheer, cheer, cheer. Okay, his arms are definitely a bit scuffed, but you know, this works. Alright, so we're just gonna publish this to Roblox, and I'm gonna say cheer animation. I'm gonna save, and boom. I'm gonna copy the ID. Now let's get the scripting. So what I want to do with this is I want a UI, let's say like in a Vibe game or something where you can purchase specific dances. That's what we're going to do now. So I'm going to add in a GUI, the starter GUI. Right here we're going to say animation GUIs, or animation GUI. We're going to add in a frame. Boom, just like that. We're gonna actually we're just gonna add in a button. Just gonna add in a text button, and we're just gonna make this the animation. Or we're just gonna say cheer. We're just gonna do this really quick. What's a nice font, you know? You know what? I think Highway Gothic is a great font. I use it a lot. Okay, we're gonna just to make a nice blue background. We're gonna add some white text, just like that. And I think that's it for a button. This is gonna be the button that's gonna be used to trigger the animation. Now, what I'm gonna do is we are gonna do this. Name it cheer. We're gonna add in a local script. We're gonna do local marketplace service is equal to game get service marketplace service local. Oh yeah, we need to create a game pass as well. Animation ID is equal to that. Do local game pass ID is equal to, and then we need to go ahead and create it. So I'll be right back once I've created it. Alright, I am back guys. I've now created the game pass, and this is my game pass. So this is what I'm going to be using. So now what we're going to do is we're going to detect if they actually own the game pass, and if they don't, we're not going to make the button visible. So this button is only going to be visible whenever they have bought the game pass. So we're going to do okay, let's see here. So right there, the button. So script.parent.mouse button one click connect function, and then let's drop a line, and let's do local has game pass is equal to marketplace service colon user owns Game Pass async game dot players dot local player dot user ID comma Game Pass ID, right? So we check if the player owns the Game Pass here. So now we're gonna, if the player has Game Pass, then we can play the animation once we click. We're gonna get to that in a bit, but we're gonna do else. Wait, else marketplace service colon prompt. Actually, yeah. So if we're just gonna make the button visible. And nonetheless, if they don't have the Game Pass, then they'll get a prompt to buy it, and if they have it, then they'll just play the animation. Prompt Game Pass purchase game.players.local player, Game Pass ID. Right? So we're just gonna start by saying print hello, right? So let's see, it should print hello down here. Since I own the Game Pass, yep, it prints hello. Alright, let's alright, and now we're of course gonna need to play the animation. And as you guys know, we got the ID up here from our dummy. So now let's go right ahead and do this. So I'm gonna do, so we have the animation up there. That's the animation. Oh wait, we need an actual animation here. I forgot. Boom, animation right there. Let's get the ID, paste it in here. And instead of this, we're just gonna do local animation is equal to script.parent.animation, right? So now we have the animation instance marked. So that's the animation. Then we're gonna do local load local track is equal to game.players.local player colon load animation. Oh wait, what am I doing? Dot character dot humanoid colon load animation there. And then if they have the Game Pass, then track colon play. And this should be everything we need to make this function. So let's test it. So I have the animation, so now it's playing whenever I click the button. And now since I looped it, it's obviously going to continue playing, but let me just add a task.wait 1 second and then track colon stop, I think it's called, maybe. Anyways, we'll see if it works. I don't quite remember if that's how it works. Yeah, and then it waits 1 second and then we stop cheering. And that's how you make a simple animation purchase for Roblox. But now what if I wanted to test it without me having the Game Pass? Well, we're gonna go right ahead and do that right now. Alright, I don't own the animation Game Pass anymore, so let's test it again and see if I play the cheer animation now. As you guys can see, I don't own the animation anymore, therefore it's not playing when I press the button. So, and it says this item is not currently for sale, your account has not been charged. That's because the game isn't published, so it says that. Or that's because it's not for sale right now, because I haven't changed that. But that's everything for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.